Okay, this is a smart plug. Uh, you get a smart plug, you get a Indian converter where you can connect our conventional sockets. This switch can be used to operate any apparatus from your mobile phone or your tablet. Your iPhone also will do, or any Android phone will do. All you need is to connect this device, configure it this with your router, and you will be provided with a software CD which you can install in your iPhone or an Android phone or a tablet, from where you can control the smart plug. You can switch on or off any of your device. It has a limitation: you cannot connect anything beyond 1500 watt. So don't connect your big electrical water heater or something like that. Restrain connecting a heavy load. You can connect anything up to 1500 watt, like your water pump. You can on off your garden lights. You can switch on and off your evening lights. Let's say if you are not at home and you want to switch on the light at 7 o'clock, let it be if you are anywhere in the world. You can, if you have a router at home, you have configured the internet router, and if the internet connection is on, you can access this switch and you can control any device sitting anywhere in the world through the app with the internet. You can switch it off also. You can program the timer of this particular smart switch, which can turn on the apparatus, whatever you have connected, on a predefined time, and you can also switch it off at predefined time. Another smart use of this particular smart switch is, you can, normally what happens that you leave your mobile phone overnight for charging, which is not good for the mobile phone. So it has a smart feature that it will monitor the amount of power which has gone into the mobile phone, and it will automatically switch off the charging of your mobile phone. So you don't have to worry, you just plug this in, switch it on and go to sleep, and everything will be taken care of with the smart switch. Now I'll show you how to configure the smart switch with the mobile app. Now you have this smart switch, you have this converter also. You just attach this to this smart switch. You can insert this in this socket, switch it on. Okay, you can attach any of the devices in the given socket here, like this. When you are at home or when you are at near the smart switch, if you do not want to operate it autonomously, or if you do not want to operate through your phone or something, you also have a switch here which you can press, and you can see this red light turns on. That means the output is on. You press that switch again and the output will be off. I'll show you once again. You press this switch, the output is on. You can see this red light, so there is an output on this socket. You press this button again and the output is off. Okay, now I'll show you how to configure the app with your Android or iPhone. You can use this Android app in any of your Android phone, or even the tab also will do. You are provided a CD with the software for both. You install that software using your phone. You launch the smart plug app you go to the configuration menu. Once you get this screen, you press this button for 5 to 6 seconds and then leave it. Go to configuration mode, press configuration. Once the configuration starts, this blue light on the smart plug will blink. It may happen that if it does not configure on the first go, just try one more time. See, now this blue light is blinking rapidly, so that means the device is configured. Now you can see this message that configure success. Now you can see this device. You go back, can go back. Now you can see this device is online here. Now once you tap this, the device is switched on. You can see this red light here. Whenever you get green on this power button, your device is on. If you want to switch it off, you press it again and the device is off. You can see this red light coming up, and you'll also hear a click sound. I'm turning it off. Okay, now let's connect any apparatus which you want to operate. Electrical kettle here. So when you want to operate this through the smartphone, through this smart switch, you press this button. Now you can see this is turned on and even the kettle is turned on. When you want to switch it off, just press this again, it is turned off. So let's say if you have already left some water or whatever, you want to have milk or anything, you are reaching home within 5-10 minutes, you can switch it on the way home, and by the time you reach home, it's ready. And once you reach, you can turn it off. This way you can operate any apparatus limited to 1500 watt, including your water pump. You can also fix the timings to turn this off and turn this on. Let's do it again. Whenever the apparatus is on, this will come green, and when it is off, it will turn gray. Now we have connected